What of if I'm here to tell you that you must not pay with your card on any phone unless you turn off or turn on these settings on your device? Majority of users use Google Chrome to access websites and fill in their details while paying online. But there is a particular settings you need to turn on right away so that your device will be safe and your credentials will not be saved on the browser. So if you really want to make yourself free from the online crimes, online theft, consider putting this in place right away. Once you open the Chrome browser on your device, tap on the three dots at top of the screen, then go ahead and tap on settings icon. Once you tap on settings icon, just give it a few seconds, then scroll up until you get to payment method. Tap on it. Once tap on payment method, you have yourself at this place, and here is where the process begins. The first thing I would like you to turn off here is this that says save security code. Check out fast when your CVV are saved. This implies the three code at the back of your card when you the card you are using. So turn on this button to turn it off. It means that your CVV code is not safe on your device. You need to have that in a separate place, not on your device. So if your device is at wrong hand, then your CVV code is secure. Then the next thing that I would like you to on is this that says verify it's you to autofill payment. Guy, this particular one is very dangerous. What it means is that your phone need to verify you are the real one using your phone while paying online. That's why you need to turn off this button. Provide your fingerprint or face ID so that you'll be able to make payments online using your device. If this button is turned off, go ahead and turn it on right away. The next one I want to turn off is which says save and fill payment method. Guys, this is also a very big threat to your card. If you link your card to any website and this setting is turned on, go ahead and turn it off on your device. With this, guys, then you are good to go. Then click on back button once. Now the next thing you have to take a look at here is this button that says addresses and more. Tap on it. Once tap on addresses and more, you see this one that says include information like phone number, email addresses, and shipping address. If this button is enabled and someone use your device to access any website for payment, then your details will be attached automatically to that website. And this is a threat to your card or your account detail linked to this phone or to that browser. So that is why it's always advisable to tap on this button and turn it off. With this, guys, next time you want to use your device for payment, I'm very sure your card is secure. That is why you need to turn off this now before you use your device for payment online next time. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.